Hello and welcome to Farm World YouTube channel. Today we shall look into the profits of kale's farming. Kale, or leaf cabbage, belongs to a group of cabbage, Brassica oleracea, cultivars grown for their edible leaves, although some are used as ornamentals. Kale plants have green or purple leaves, and the central leaves do not form a head, as with headed cabbage. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamin C and K, iron, and a wide range of other nutrients that can help prevent various health problems. Let's look at how to grow kales. Kale or Sukuma wiki farming is one of the simplest farming that I usually recommend to farmers as it requires little management skills. Kales or Sukuma wiki prefers well-drained sandy loam soil with good organic matter. It can be grown on a wide range of soils having good drainage conditions. This hardy crop tolerates salts in the soils. The ideal soil pH of 5.5 to 6.5, slightly acidic, will result in good yield. From transplanting, kales are ready for first harvest in 4 weeks. Kales need adequate watering and proper management of pests like aphids for a full harvest. You can intercrop it with other crops like passion fruits or spinach. Besides, you can grow kales in the open field, greenhouses, or irrigated dry areas. How much can you make in a kale farm? Estimated returns: if you apply the recommended best practices, you can expect production of 15 tons to 20 tons per acre. This translates to approximately $3,000 per acre to $4,000 per acre based on farm gate selling prices of 20 cents per kg. So, start your kales farm. There are plenty of profits in kale farming. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to Farm World YouTube channel.